Mastering research participant rights. Researchers must prioritize participants' autonomy, privacy, and well-being, or sacrifice their humanity. Which key principles of research participant rights must researchers prioritize and respect in order to ensure that participants' autonomy, privacy, and well-being are protected throughout a research study? To ensure that participants' autonomy, privacy, and well-being are protected throughout a research study, researchers must prioritize and respect several key principles of research participant rights. First and foremost, researchers must respect participants' autonomy by providing them with accurate and comprehensive information about the study, allowing them to make informed decisions about their participation. This includes providing clear explanations of the research purpose, methods, potential risks and benefits, and their role in the study, as well as obtaining their voluntary and informed consent prior to the start of the study. Informed consent is an ongoing process that requires researchers to continually provide participants with updated information and obtain their consent as needed. Researchers must also ensure that participants' privacy is protected by maintaining confidentiality and limiting access to personal and identifiable data. This includes using secure data storage and transmission protocols, ensuring that data is identified whenever possible, and limiting access to authorized personnel only. Researchers must also comply with relevant data protection regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in the European Union, and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act (HIPAA) in the United States. In addition, researchers must prioritize participants' well-being by minimizing risks and ensuring that their physical and emotional safety is protected throughout the study. This includes monitoring participants' health and well-being, providing access to support services as needed, and promptly reporting and responding to any adverse events. Researchers must also ensure that participants are not exposed to unnecessary risks or discomforts, and that the potential benefits of the study outweigh the risks. Furthermore, researchers must respect participants' right to withdraw from the study at any time without penalty or consequence. This includes providing participants with clear instructions on how to withdraw, and ensuring that their decision to withdraw is respected and implemented promptly. Researchers must also prioritize fairness and equity in the recruitment and selection of participants, ensuring that the participant population is diverse and representative of the target population. This includes avoiding coercion or undue influence, and ensuring that participants are not recruited based on their vulnerability or susceptibility. Finally, researchers must ensure that participants are treated with respect and dignity throughout the study, and that their contributions to the research are acknowledged and valued. This includes providing participants with feedback on the study results, and ensuring that their perspectives and opinions are taken into account in the interpretation and dissemination of the findings. In order to ensure operational excellence in protecting research participant rights, researchers must establish robust procedures and safeguards throughout the study lifecycle. This includes developing comprehensive participant recruitment and consent procedures, establishing secure data management systems, and implementing rigorous risk monitoring and adverse event reporting protocols. Researchers must also establish clear lines of communication with participants, research staff, and other stakeholders, and ensure that participant rights are protected throughout the study. This includes providing participants with access to a study contact or advocate who can address their concerns and questions, and ensuring that research staff are trained and certified in good clinical practice, GCP, and human subject research regulations. Ultimately, prioritizing and respecting research participant rights is essential to ensuring that research is conducted in an ethical and responsible manner, and that participants' autonomy, privacy, and well-being are protected throughout the study. By establishing robust procedures and safeguards, and prioritizing fairness, equity, and respect, researchers can ensure that their study is conducted with operational excellence and that participant rights are protected.